Here are 5 powerful tips to boost your church's online presence. 1. Claim and optimize your Google business profile. When people search church near me, your Google listing is the first thing they see. Add service times, directions, photos, and your website link. Keep it updated with posts and events so you show up in local searches. 2. Create consistent, fresh content. Google loves fresh updates. Write blog posts, devotionals, or weekly recaps. Share sermon highlights, testimonies, or upcoming events on your website. Consistency builds trust and helps you rank higher in search results. 3. Leverage social media strategically. Don't just post announcements, tell stories. Share clips from sermons, behind the scenes from ministries, or testimonies. Use Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts to reach young adults where they're scrolling. 4. Make your website visitor-friendly. Make it easy for newcomers. Service times, directions, and a plan your visit button should be front and center. Optimize for mobile since most people visit from their phone. Use clear next steps like join a small group or watch live. 5. Engage through email and text. Collect emails from your website or events and send out encouragement, sermon notes, or updates. A weekly devotional or scripture of the day can keep people connected throughout the week. Tools like Selzy, MailChimp, or Text in Church make it simple. Bonus mindset: think like a missionary online. Your website and socials aren't just announcements, they're a front door to your church. Every post, page, and email is a chance to invite someone closer to Jesus.